Random here checking in, y'all. So in today's video, we got a package that we're going to be opening. It's the GT45, the eBay Turbo. I actually went ahead and bought the whole kit for 192 bucks. So let's go ahead on, crack it open. Y'all see it's by MA X Peating Rods, made from China. So let's go ahead on, open up the kit. First, it comes with us a little package right here. And in this package, let's see what we got. Okay. We got us some connectors. We got us the feed line right here, which it looks like it's about 4 feet long. We got our feed line right here. Let's dump these connectors out, see what we got. We got us a straight 10 NA connector. We got us the adapter plate for our feed line. We have the adapter plate that goes to the turbo for our drain line. So it comes with this here block valve. I believe it's made to run multiple feed lines that comes off the nipple. And as y'all can see, this is the nipple that came with our turbo kit. It's the NPT 1/8 20 count thread, and we just threaded it up in this here factory cap that we had to go get from the junkyard, because this is the muscle car oil pan, and it came with a flat one, which is right here. So we had to go ahead and swap it out.
Drill and tap it.
Also, it comes with the gaskets for both of your flanges for your turbo, and it comes with the screws and some lock washers for your mounting hardware. So I mean, we get a lot of things from China. I mean, we're more concerned about the turbo more than the parts itself. So once we get that thing installed, give it some test pulls, put a little power on it, we'll see how that turbo holds up to what we're trying to do with it. This here line looks pretty good. It has some brass fittings on the end, some little caps, a male and a female end. And a part we all been waiting for is right here, guys. It's right here. All right, y'all. This is the part that we all been waiting for right here. Let's go ahead on and open our box up here. And let's pull this here turbo out of here, gang. Okay. Go ahead and put our box to the side. See if it came with anything else. Okay. All right, y'all. I think this is the part that we all been waiting on. Let's go ahead on and take our thumbnail. All right, gang, we got our thumbnail. Let's go ahead on and look over this turbo. So right out the box, you see that we have a couple of gaskets here. We have the gasket for our T4 flange. We have our flange right here. This turbo is very heavy, so we have our flange gasket right here. We have our port for our feed line, which I showed you. The plate will go right here with the gasket as well, and you run your line to it. On the bottom side of that, we have the housing for our drain line, which will fall right in place with your gasket. All right, guys. So this here is the drain line that came with our GT45 eBay Turbo Kit. It's 24 inches, and that's the location right here with the 45 connector that it came with that I selected right here. And we're gonna run it straight to the top. Hopefully it falls out somewhere, maybe around here somewhere. But I had to go with the threaded connector. It's a 10 AN to an 8 AN fit, and I just had to tap and thread it. I'll be putting those videos up soon. So, yep, that's what it came with. I had to buy this here separate because the kit only comes with the bung that gives you the option to weld it on. So, I went with the threaded. I was actually going to go with it in this location, but we kind of tight up front. So, I think we should be fine right there. We'll see once we install this thing in the vehicle. Take our covers off. Like I mentioned again, guys, it is a pretty heavy turbo. We got our impeller right inside. Sounds pretty good. Nice and billet impeller. The quality of it looks pretty good. Looks like a cast iron, the part that connects to our flange. It looks like the body of the turbo is cast iron. Look like it. You see our little turbine impeller on the back side as well here. Okay. So we have our cold side come from here, go to our intake. This will be our exhaust side right here. I believe, let me know if I'm wrong. We're gonna have to order the T4 flange to be able to mount this baby up in place. I believe the is rated for 600 plus horsepower off of V-Base. So if you're interested in one of these bad boys, the link will be in the description, guys. I can't wait to install this thing and really test it out and see what kind of power it brings to the table. We also have a little gasket right here, and it's for the hot side. I mean, it's for the exhaust side of the turbo. It's gonna go right here, and we're gonna need our what do they call them? Is it the V bands with the clamp that goes to the back of the exhaust, back of the turbo. All right, and it came with 2 extra gaskets as well for the drain and your oil lines. Yep, so that's it. That's it, guys. This is the eBay turbo kit, the GT45. If you're interested in it, the link will be in the description. Thanks y'all for watching. Stay tuned. Take care. Have a good day, and I'll see y'all next time. Mr. Random, baby. LS 60 eBay turbo, GT45. Go ahead and Monte Carlo. Yeah, stay tuned.
You want to see how I make another hot sausage sandwich?